People often miss their life because they're just stuck trying to manage it. So a lot of the things we manage in life, it's just a product of the past, right? So I've built things in my past and I'm attached to them. So I try to keep them going. And a lot of times it goes back to that surrender of what still works in my life, what actually fits, what aligns. And so we're trying to create this flow and this ease, not just trying to maintain things all the time. And if there's an area that's got high stress involved, that takes a lot to keep going, you're probably just doing that out of habit. You've probably outgrown that a long time ago, but you're afraid of what life is without that. And so we want to be in tune with the present moment. We want to be up to date with our beliefs and what we really want, not just be constantly living reflections of our past. So, because there's gifts, there's opportunities available to you at all times. But if you're too fixated on the life you've built, you might be missing the version you're trying to build. And so it's about detaching from the things that no longer serve you and aligning for the things you want.